you can see it here that my Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and it's working fine. If I double click this, I should be able to see the option to connect to whatever available networks, and also I should able to see any available networks. As you can see there, I'm able to scan available network, and the first one is my own network. It's the same network that I'm using on my computer. As you can see it there, I'm able to connect to the internet without any issue. As you can see it there. Now, the problem with this, it's either I use any router or a different router. I even use my own hotspot from my phone. I even brought this to coffee shops, and I still don't get any connection. Whether they have some encryption going on or something or not, I'm still unable to connect to any wireless network because of this issue. And also, I have tried everything that I can to fix this issue. I have updated the software of this computer. I had gotten all the Microsoft updates for this very specific tablet, but nothing happened. So what I did is I reformat the whole thing, put everything back, reset the tablet to the factory setting, and I still have the same issue. I'm not able to connect to any Wi-Fi connection. I'm just able to scan the available network, but I'm not able to connect to any of these. Now I even tried to update this to Windows 8.1, and I even gather all the updates that I need for Windows 8.1, but I still don't get any positive results. I even try to double click this. and do the property, and then I went to configuration and went to the drivers. I try to update the driver. It doesn't work. I try to enable and enable the Wi-Fi adapter. It doesn't work. It only enabled the Wi-Fi adapter, but I'm not able to connect to any wireless networks. So what I did, I uninstall it and then install the driver again, and it looks fine because the Wi-Fi adapter, it looks just like this. It's working, but the only thing I can do is scan available network, but I'm not able to connect to the internet. And this is the main issue. It's either a software issue or a hardware issue. This is what I'm seeing here. Once I double click this, I'm able to see the available network. And this one, the first one, Alex 11, is my own wireless connection. The password is MPC1000KKK. And what's gonna happen? Right now is enabled, and then it get disabled. That's what happened every time I try to connect to any kind of networks, whether it's password protected or it's not password protected, whether they have some kind of encryption or not. I still have the same issue. I am using the same network for my tablets, for my Android tablets, my desktop, my laptop, and every devices, Wi-Fi devices I have. I'm able to connect to the same network named Alex 11 without any issues. And also you see it here. Every time I try to connect, it gets disabled by itself. The Wi-Fi adapter gets disabled by itself. This is not what I had paid for. You know what I'm saying? I just wasted my time finding this item, wasted $399, and then end up having this kind of garbage item. You see? Enable, and then it gets disabled, and then enable again, but I'm not able to connect to internet.